friends, what's up? It's your girls Alicia and Elise, and I am Alicia, and I am back with another unit for y'all. Y'all know that Cyber Monday was just on Monday, and I got this unit from Nadula Amazon. So if you guys are interested in this one, definitely check them out. I do believe they've extended their sale, so you guys can definitely still get some money off. But y'all, I decided to pick up this everything Yaki straight 5x5 lace closure unit. You guys can see everything is done with this one. Those knots are bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, it does have that curvature around the ear area, the anti-slit band. This is 100% glueless, so it also features that elastic strap and the adjustable straps on the back end. Again, this texture is in their Yaki, and I do believe this is 24 inches long. It does have a nice luster to it, and it's very soft. But this is the way my unit did come straight out of the box. You do not have to do any styling with this one. It is ready to wear. You don't even have to glue it down. But if you do want to make your unit where it kind of has a little more of you to it, definitely do some really quick styling. I personally like to lay the edges by using a little bit of gel. I also like to lay the top of the unit because it does kind of have a bit of like a hump up there. Again, you can do this on your head. You don't have to do it on the canvas block, but I just prefer to do it on the canvas block because, you know, I'm just extra like that. But what I am doing is just flattening the top as well as the front of the hair. I'm also going to take a little bit of this serum and apply it throughout the hair and just get this hair nice and straight. Okay, so now that the hair is nice and styled to my liking, we're just going to take a closer look of the cap construction. Again, this is a pre-everything glueless wig, so it does have everything that you need to wear this hair gluelessly. You don't have to do any customizations to it. I'm going to go ahead and get the unit on. What I do love about this cap construction is that it does have that curvature around the ear area, so it does fit really comfortably. And again, you don't have to adhere it down. But this is the way that pre-cut lace looks up against my skin. You can see just how natural it looks. Again, if you use a little bit of gel, you can get that real slick look. Now, I always apply a little bit of foundation along that lace just to make it blend a little better. In person, you really don't notice that lace too much, but for me on camera, it's HD. You can really see it, so I like to show you guys options on how you can conceal it to make it look a little more natural. I'm also going to apply a bit of some concealer in that parting space just to make it look a little more defined. And now I'm just going to kind of style the hair on my head so that it just frames my face a little bit better.
The distance is unfair. I'm feeling like I'm wasting my time. No actions on repeat. To me,
Y'all, this hair is incredibly gorgeous. Look at the body, look at the movement, look at the shine, the luster. Again, y'all, I believe this is 24 inches long. I'm gonna definitely put it in the description area in case you're interested. But here are the angles of the hair. Y'all can see just how it falls on me. I'm 5'8" and it's like past my waist. This hair has a lot of body, a lot of movement. I believe the density is 200%. And the one thing that I love about wearing the unit gluelessly is that you can actually change it up in like a second. I'm moving the wig around. Even though it's a 5x5, you can still get a side part. Either side, you can still do some really quick styling with this one. Y'all, let me know how you plan on wearing your glueless unit.
I wanna be where you are. Anywhere. way? Should I go? Should I stay? I don't get this. Took my pride out the way. Game's just a taste. You must not want this, cause you're wasting my time with the lies, telling me you were wrong.
So y'all know the holidays are coming up, and I know that you're looking for a cute style that's not gonna break the bank and it's pretty effortless. Definitely check out this one from Nadula on Amazon. Y'all, I do believe that they are still on sale, so if they are, grab yourself one and let me know what you guys think of this unit. Anyways, y'all, I'll catch you later. Bye guys.